Hi everyone, I'm Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. But today I'm going to show you how to fix your Stampin' Seal. If you can see, this is the release paper, and it's come up and it's wrapping around this roller right here. So I'm not getting any glue. So take it apart gently, and we're going to help it by spinning this wheel in the back. Because it's a cog, we want to lift the larger one up and then just spin. I'm trying to do it so you can see my fingers. Lift the cog up. Oh, too much. Put that back. Lift the cog up a little bit and roll the back. And that took up the slack. It will take up the slack. So hold the cogs up, spin the back, just the back, and now I can see it's all the way in the back. Put it in, back into the cartridge, or the holder rather. Let me grab some scratch. And there you go. You fixed it. And then it starts acting up again. Okay, lift this up. Rotate the small until it peels all the way off and towards the back. And then set the larger cog back in. Place this into the holder. Close it up. Let's see. Back in business. There you go. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.